Diana from Victoria, how did you go at the Blooms oil painting workshop?
It's one of the most amazing workshops I've ever been on. And thank you to gorgeous Jack.
Oh,
He took such good care of us, gave us plenty of good food, took care of dietary requirements so beautifully.
oh, pleasure.
So much patience, and you know what? We all got our canvases done. And
And ahead of time.
amazing. She's an amazing teacher, and I'm so excited to be now doing my online course.
Well, yay.
Highly recommended.
And you've booked a show, haven't you, in Wangaratta? So you have an
have.
exhibition. When is that? November?
No, it's next March.
Wow, plenty of time to
So,
paint.
Yes, plenty of time to paint.
But these are your, are these your first canvases?
These are my first canvases.
Your first canvases?
First oils.
First oils.
First acrylic onto canvas as well.
Wow.
Jackie's just been amazing and so supportive. So scary to start with, and just incredible. And what the class has managed to achieve as well.
And what do you think of the system of painting, the Bloom system, where you've got actual stages to work through and
It just allowed me to build my confidence as well. So incredible how it just comes together. And step by step, every instruction is given and supported. It's just such a wonderful experience.
Thank you so much, Diana. I'm so looking forward to
Thank
working
you,
with you
Jacqueline.
from online as well, and I hope to see you again soon.
Yay!
Yay,
Thank
bye.
you.
Thank you.